Hello everyone, this is Kalyan, having 5 plus experience in big data. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to work with the big data projects, and one of the assignment I'm going to giving to you today is working with the Hive functionality. Okay, so for that the prerequisites will be for this assignment will be you need to install the Hadoop and you need to install the Hive and Eclipse and Java. And for a Hive, working with Hive, internal that be or external that be or MySQL, extra MySQL or Oracle, anything is fine. So you want to know the installation process for the Hadoop or Hive, Java, Eclipse, all these things, you can follow my previous videos. So currently in my system, all these are installed. I'll be going to show the assignment as well as solution. So let's start with the session. So first thing I need to start the Hadoop. Let me start Hadoop with the start-all.sh command. Is it running or not? Verify by command is JPS. So you can able to see all the processes are running it. And similarly, you want to start your Hive is you can go by the Hive command. So by default, Hive connected to the which database means the answer is default database. Currently, I'm in the default database, and if you want to verify which other databases are there, you can go by the command is show data bases. The basic my Hive commands you want to know it means you can also check my previous video. It will be previous video. It will be available. So on a few of the database I have it like a default Kalyan and XYZ, and let's use our database is Kalyan. Use Kalyan. You want to know the tables is show space tables. You want to query another table means let's start from ABC or XYZ, whichever the tables you want. XYZ. So you can able to see in my Hive some data. I have it also. Okay. Then let's open my Eclipse. We are doing this web projects. We are going for the Kepler. You can choose whichever the version of the Eclipse you want also. So it's opened. And I'll be going to giving the assignment project that you can keep it into the your workspace folder. So that is what project 2 I have assignment, and the corresponding solution I have it also. So let me load the assignment first. Right click, import general existing projects into workspace. Next, browse Hive assignment, finish. So once the building is completed, we can go for it. Okay, so let's start this project. So remove the previous ones and finish. Maybe sometimes some issues you want to resolve it means just clean up the cache here also better. Okay, let's me verify now. These are the some assignments I'm going to give to you. So suppose someone is given any Hive query, you just need to add it the query is correct or not. And what is the solution for given a Hive query? Display the data in a tabular format, just what we have seen in the HDFS level, similar kind of tabular format, and provide a solution for a click on database displaying all the tables in a tabular format, and provide a solution for click on table display the result in a tabular format. So let's click on go. So enter your SQL query and go for it. The basic query may be show data bases, say submit. Yes. So for this example, I'm using the backend like a MySQL. If you have MySQL is installed in your system, then this is going to work with you also. If it is not, it's not, because you have to change the configurations. And coming to in my use case, this one. So suppose let's say database, they need to give proper message like why it is failing. That is what the first requirement. Validate your queries and provide a solution for the display in tabular format. Also when you click on database, you have to display the tables, all this. So currently if you go by this query submit, there is no click option for you, so we just need to go for that one, and when you click on the table, you should be able to display the result out of that one. Those are the assignments I've given to you. So I just need to work with the assignments. Is like you can just see my solution also, how it actually look like. Let me stop this existing learning project. Okay, so let me upload the solution. Let's complete the build operation. Okay, and let's start with the Hive solution. Run as run on server. Next, remove the whole and replenish. So it is started, and let me clean up the old data also. Better to go with this. Okay, so let's see here. Something I have given here. So here it's saying like when you click on that option, the JavaSQL exception could not establish the connection here, because whenever you want to work with the Hive, you have a option like thrift server. Once you run in a thrift server, then only you can connect to any external stores to Hive actually. So let me start my Hive in a thrift server, otherwise this part is not going to work with you. So command will be hive --- service hive server. This will ensure that Hive will run a thrift server mode, so you can able to get database connection to connect to Hive now. So let's click on this one. Now the results are nothing else, right? So let's go by the basic queries now. Whatever you want to try it. Now the basic queries for databases. Let's say submit. The first requirement is when you go for any Hive queries, you should be able to validate it, and also if you have a query, given a query, should be displayed the data in a tabular format. So this is my tabular format, and if I say do database, it's a wrong query. This information you should be able to understand. So, and second assignment is like a displaying the data in tabular format. I have done. And third one is when you click on the database, display the tables in it, display all the tables in tabular format. So if I open my Kalyan database, show tables, two tables are there. Let's click on here. You can able to see. And third assignment is when you click on the table, display the data in tabular format. When you click on any one of the table, display the data in tabular format. So I was able to display here, and if I go for again XYZ, same thing. So let's try from terminal also. Select star from XYZ. So there are two columns are there. So these two columns I'm displaying in the column. Maybe I just restricting to 5 actually. You just want to remove this and you want to write something else also, you can try it. Maybe let me write one more is select count of star from this. Submit. What exactly this query will do internally, it will run some apparatus program, it takes bit while, and finally it's going to give the results in a tabular format. Yes. So you can see here the result is the 4 here. So like this, you want to do some kind of other operations also, you can try here. Maybe you just want to, let's start from table, this one, where id greater than 2. This will also as an operator's query. The result should be 3 and 4 has to come. You can able to see. So like this, whatever the Hive queries we have, we just need to validate it, and we should be able to provide a solution to get a query display the data in tabular format. And these are the assignments I want from this. Okay, and let's take a small screenshots for you. Display query results in table. And show databases. Display all data bases in table. Display all tables in table. Validate the Hive query. So hope you are going to got the idea what exactly. So this query is not correct, you got like a semantic exception also. Maybe if you write like this is a parse exception, you're able to get the parse exception. This will be taken care by the Hive itself internally. So make sure that these all functionalities if you can implement, it's very good, and I'll be ensuring you'll be going to do slowly. Thank you.